My name is Wendy. I'm 21 years old. I live with my family. I study the university. I have three dogs, Noah, Nia, and Botas. I like to go for a walk, watch romantic movies, spend time with my friends, and I like to go beach. I don't like leaves and I don't like winter. This is my family. She is my mother. Her name is Julia. She is 58 years old. He is my father. His name is Eugenio. He is 53 years old. She is my sister. His name, Her name is Monica. She is 27 years old. He is my brother. His name is Heriberto. He is 23 years old. This about me.